Hello, welcome to another feature tour of StorePOS. In this video, I'll be giving you a peek into replacement of expired items in StorePOS. Let's just consider this example of Dairy Milk Fruit and Mud chocolates. As you can see over here, we have a couple of batches which have expired and these need to be replaced. Let's just take a look at how these items can be replaced without batting an eyelid in StorePOS. To do so, I need to get to the replace items register. I'll just get to that in a minute. All I need to do is just tell the system the quantity that is being replaced, and StorePOS prompts with the batch numbers. Replacement items could come with a different MRP and we could record these over here. This is especially true when they are made from commodities. I have done these without going through the motion of receiving new items or recording purchase returns. Isn't this something we encounter in a pharmacy or supermarket on a regular basis? Can you imagine the difference StorePOS would make in a scenario like this?